Lizards possess fascinating regenerative abilities, allowing them to regrow lost tails. Regeneration varies among lizard species. Some regrow tails faster than others. Regenerated tails differ in color and structure compared to original tails. The process begins with tail detachment, a defense mechanism to escape predators. Initial wound healing forms a blastema, critical for regeneration. The blastema consists of proliferating cells that contribute to new tissue formation. Signaling pathways like WNT and FGF are crucial to tail regeneration. Regrowth involves muscle, cartilage, and connective tissue regeneration. The spinal cord does not fully regenerate, replaced with a rod of cartilage. Nerve supply in regenerated tails is often less complex. Research is exploring implications of lizard regeneration for human medicine. Potential applications include improved wound healing and limb regeneration therapies. Lizards are a model system for studying regeneration, offering valuable insights. Their regenerative capacity poses questions about evolution and environmental adaptation. Studies aim to understand molecular mechanisms governing regeneration. Lizards exemplify nature's resilience, offering hope for regenerative medicine advancements.